because my producer says I'm full of it. I think he means sayings is what he means when he tells me I'm full of it. Is that right, Sean? That's what it means, yeah. Stop laughing. Stop laughing, all of you. Stop, 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 stop. All right, now let's move along and talk to you about something brand new today from Temp-tations. And while this looks like glass, this is actually not. It's acrylic. So it looks like glass, but it's super durable, super strong, and has a serving bowl inside. So the whole idea here, although there are many ideas to work with here, let me use these in front so you can see them better. You pop ice in the bottom here and then put these little bowls right inside, and then whatever you've got in the bowl is keeping warm but not getting diluted in the ice. We've got lots of great examples to share with you, but not before we invite in the president, the CEO, the chief bottle washer, and designer of Temp-tations. Tara Tesher is joining us live via telephone. Hello, my dear friend.
Hello, my dear friend. How are you this fine Sunday? And happy, happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you and your husband and to your mom and your family. We miss you like gangbusters, but we know you're safe, and that is good news. So that's awesome. We're doing great, Tara, and this is something very exciting because it's brand new, and just like you to come up with something so clever.
Well, you know what I love about it, David, and you know this. I love entertaining all year round. And so I always find it's important to have the right pieces. And this really is a take on kind of that salad bar concept. When you go into a restaurant, when you go to a buffet, everything is usually sitting on ice. This was that creation of what we call our dips on ice. So exactly what you said. In the bottom bowl, which is 32 ounces, you're going to actually nestle the ice. Then you're going to put whatever dip you want in that 16-ounce bowl and sit it on top of it. When the two work together, you get a nice cold dip or anything mayonnaise-based, your hummus, your guacamole, anything you can think of that you want to keep cold will now stay colder longer. And that's what I love about it.
Now, I love that you made this look like glass, but it's acrylic. So it's going to look elegant on your serving table, but if it gets knocked around or there becomes an issue, you don't have to worry because this is something that's super durable. Now, it's a set of two, Tara, for $28.90, and you did what you call your classic prints. This is a combination of your old world and your floral lace. Is that right?
That's right. I love the fact that you're not choosing between a color. You're literally not between a pattern. You're picking your color, and it's coordinated. Exactly what you said, acrylic. So you're going to want to hand wash it, BPA free. And the best part about that is it looks like glass. So everything you're making, you can see right through it, but it still you incorporate all those beautiful colors that so many of you have been collecting.
Now, what we've got first is Patriotic, and you know this is going to be my favorite. This is most popular. And I have only 1,000 of these left to go around. Now, beside that, and remember, you're getting a set of two, and these are all in sets of two. This is Confetti. So maybe shoot here and work our way down, Scott. So here's Confetti. We have 900. Here's the blue. 1,200 in the blue. Here's green. 700. Here's red. 1,200. And here's black. We have 850. Tara, these are very, very popular, and we knew they would be because something like this is going to be so important when you're doing serving. And there will come a time when we're able to start entertaining again, where we're going to be able to see our friends and family again. We will get through this. This will end. And when it does, we're going to be very excited to welcome friends over again and do things like you've done here. I love this idea. Ice in both containers. In one, you've got shrimp. In the other, you have cocktail sauce.
Right, both of them that you want to go ahead and keep cold throughout the meal. So whether you're entertaining or this is just something that you're using for yourself, because let's face it, the mayonnaise-based things we look forward to as the weather starts to get warmer, the guacamole that we want to put together. If you've checked out our dips, we have a set of 5 dips called Dip Dip Hooray on QVC.com. They're cold dips. They're mixed with sour cream and mayonnaise. You want to be able to keep those cold.
Yeah, that's what these are. And so if you are interested in these little dips, they are available as separate purchases on QVC.com. That's what you've got here. And then you've got a great big tray of crackers, which is great. Use this for desserts. Use this for maybe breakfast to keep your cream cheese and your compound butters chilled.
Yeah.
I love all this kind of idea. And for your garlicky guacamole, which Tara is famous for, then why not make yourself some fresh guac and get a big old bag of chips? I don't care what's happening in the world. Guacamole makes me happy.
When we can get back together, we absolutely have to break bread with some guacamole. There's no doubt about it. But you know what else I love about it, David? If you don't want to use the ice, you have 2 great serving pieces too. Remember that large bowl is 32 ounces, so that's a great size. And then the dipper inside is 16 ounces. So no rules. You don't have to always use it with ice. You can use them separately. But then, of course, when you put them together, you get that double wall insulation of the cold, which is going to keep everything colder longer.
And you know what? This could also be great to put the garnish for your cocktails in if you're going to be doing lemons and limes, all kinds of things, and then keep them nice and cold too. Now, we've got beautiful colors. This is Patriotic. I have 700 left. This is Confetti, 800 left. Here's your blue, 1,100. Green, fewer than 700. Here's the red, 1,100. And finally the black, 750 in the black. Now, this is 3 easy payments on your credit card, unless you're using your Q card today, Tara, which means you can utilize 6 easy payments. Now, Tara, we've got 2 more Temp-tations items in our show today. We are going to be hearing from you again, so stand by, and we'll look forward to welcoming you back in a little while, okay?
All right. I'm super excited. Thank you, David.
We can't wait to have you back. All right, my dear. Happy Easter to you. We're going to check back in with Stacy live via Skype, because some folks are still wanting to know exactly where to locate our In the Kitchen with David bingo board, because I've already given you a lot of clues, which I can give again, but we've still got some other